Guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to unblock websites on a school Chromebook. So let's jump into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is open up an internet browser, and from here you're going to want to come up to the top right hand corner, click on the three dots and then come down and click on settings. Next, what you want to do from here is come over to the left hand side and you want to find the privacy and security option in the menu. Go ahead and give that a click. And then from here, if you look down towards the bottom, we've got our privacy and security section here. So what you want to do next is just click onto third-party cookies, the third option down here, and you want to change this to allow third-party cookies. Once that's done, what you can do is come back, and what you want to do next is go ahead and clear your browsing data. So you click onto this and you want to make sure it's selected for all time and make sure all of these checkboxes are ticked for the browsing history, cookies and cached images. Once that's done, go ahead and press the blue clear data button. So next, what you're going to want to do from this page is come down to the security option down here. Go ahead and give that a click, and then if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see an option called Advanced. Next, what you want to do in the Advanced section is look for the Manage Device Certificates, and then go ahead and give this a click, and that's going to open up a new window like this. From here, you're going to see a load of different tabs at the top. So you've got like personal, other people, trusted, certification, and so on and so forth. What you want to do is come down to the bottom and click onto the advanced box down here. Then you want to go to make sure that the client authentication box is ticked. So if that's not ticked, go ahead and tick it and then press OK and close. And that will enable you to unblock websites on a school Chromebook. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hoped that you found it useful. If you could hit the like button and subscribe button, it really means so much to us. And we'll see you guys in the next one.